Amazing product. Dot. Dot. Nice keyboard for beginners and light users. I like the product, sound quality, packing, Amazon delivery. Well, PSRE 463 being a 2018 model compared to PSRI 455 which was a 2012 model, has a lot more features and overall better sound quality. E463 has two 6-watt speakers compared to i455's two 5-watt tweeters. Now if you are focused on playing Indian music, then pick i455 as it has more Indian sounds. This keyboard is tuned more towards Western music, but still there are some Indian sounds. Following Indian sounds are present in both i455 and E463, Harmonium 1 single reed 216, Harmonium 2 double reed 217, Harmonium 3 triple reed 218, Sanai 223, Sitar 1 220, Sitar 2 222, Centaur 211, Tum. Harmonica 037, Multi-saw bass 059, Deep sub 060, Suite. Trombone 110, Suite. Classical flute 135, Gemini 143, plus many more sounds unique to this keyboard, but haven't gone through it all. Note E463 has quick sampling option which technically can arrange any sound in a chromatic scale and play it. Haven't tested it yet. Note 2 for warranty, directly register your product on Yamaha India website with the serial number that comes with it. Also keep the invoice with you as additional proof. Note 3, either of the two E463 and i455 can be used to take Trinity music exams, but till grade 5 only. So if you are serious about playing piano, better go with the 88 keys, has full 7 octaves, keyboard or digital piano with weighted keys. Weighted keys are important to develop proper technique. Yamaha P125, P45, DGX 660, it's a keyboard with weighted keys, so feature rich. Casio PX160, most value for money product in its range. Ronald R30, any one of these is a good one-time investment for learning piano properly. Update, the successor to i455 is now available on Amazon, by the name i500. Basically it's a Yamaha E463 with more Indian sounds and styles. New model, amazing keyboard. I love this. The keyboard is so good. Sound, bass, everything is best. Great sound quality. Dot. Can be played on both AC or DC source. Package includes notation book stand, manuals and an AC source power adapter. Dot. The pitch bender is also a latest addition to this price range. Dot. If you're a beginner, I suggest this would be the right model for you. A worthy upgrade from my Casio CTK 5000. Good for beginners, nice sound quality and value for money. Many features in low price and best quality. Excellent product. Worth the money. Good for beginners, but packing was pathetic by Amazon even after knowing the product value. Best keyboard for beginners. Click link in description for more reviews.